Hi, I'm Hilary Talbot, acupuncture physician and clinical herbalist. Today we will be discussing acupressure for the treatment of depression. Now, in traditional Chinese medicine, there are a lot of different types of depression. We see certain types of depression as having an affinity for different organs. So sometimes we might refer to you as having a constitutional depression or one that affects the kidneys. This is the type that is usually inherited, and sometimes we also refer to it as a Jing deficiency. And it's the type where everything in your life is going just right as rain. It couldn't be better. Everybody looks at you and thinks you have a great life, yet you are still depressed and you can't understand why. And acupressure and herbs are great for this type of depression. There's also another type that affects the liver, where there tends to be kind of a hard angle of irritability and frustration with your depression. So it's not so much sadness and loneliness as you're kind of just angry at the root cause. And again, acupressure is great for this. And then heart depression. Heart depression is really kind of more situational. Maybe you've lost a loved one or you've gone through a bad breakup. So depending on what type of depression you have would vastly differentiate the points that I would choose. But some points that do help just with the symptom of depression and the lowness that comes along with it are located at the top of the head. Do 20 is at the vertex of the head, which I find by using the points of the ears, and where my thumbs come together in the middle line, just slightly back in a depression, is do 20. 4 gods are located around this point, about 1 or 2 finger breadths out, and the ones to the sides of do 20 are usually in line with the inside of the eyebrows. You can also come straight back to find those. And then there's one on top and one on the bottom. So it's just going to make a little cross on the top of the head. And you can use 4 fingers and kind of stimulate all of these at the same time. I encourage you to take deep breaths and maybe think about something that gives you joy or happiness in the past in a way to try and stimulate the brain function into thinking about something positive. I encourage you to locate your local acupuncture physician so that they can help you find and differentiate points specific to your type of depression so that you can get a handle on it sooner than later. I'm Hilary Talbot, and that was Acupressure for Depression.